Tired of letting your amazing customer service go unnoticed? Let's dive straight into how to create a Trustpilot business account and seamlessly integrate it with your website. First, navigate to Trustpilot.com. In the top right corner, you'll spot the Sign Up button. Click on that. You'll see a few options. You can sign up using your Google account, Facebook, or your email address. Pick the one that's most convenient for you. For this example, we'll choose email. Fill in the required information, your name, your business email address, and create a strong, secure password. Then, click Create Account. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your business details. Input your business name. Select your industry from the drop-down menu. And very importantly, enter your website URL. Accuracy here is key. Then, click Continue. Congratulations, you've now successfully created your Trustpilot business account. Take some time to explore your dashboard. To integrate with your website, look for the Integrations or Business Tools section. The exact naming may vary, but you're looking for options to connect Trustpilot with your site. Here, you'll find various methods for integration, such as a WordPress plugin or a JavaScript snippet. Choose the method that best suits your website platform. With Trustpilot integrated, you can start actively collecting reviews, showcasing them on your website to build trust and boost your business reputation. That's it. Happy reviewing.